Hello, we are from PBL Terem 504, Team 2, and our title is Arduino Stock Investment Board Game. We want to present our progress PBL for English Communication course. This is our project manager, Mr. Nanda Putra Perkasa STRCO. This is our team member. The first one is, my name is Peter Prigel Wicaksono, 431220140, and I am as a leader.
My name is Al Bukhari Muslim, 431220103 and I'm as member.
My name is Bella Miranda Priscilia, 431220105 and I'm here as a member.
My name is Rambutita Cynthia Dewi, 43122011059 and I'm as a member.
My name is Muhammad Iwa Rahmawan, 43122011060 and also as member.
First, we will explain to you about our projects. So we make a game that called Stock Investment Board Game. It's already in physical shape, and in this project we make it to digitalize the game. So Stock Rising is a mobile-based digital board game designed as an educational tool for teenagers to simulate stock investment. So using this game, teenagers can start learning investment without having a real money. So they still can have experience to try investment based on the real world.
Okay, I will explain our logbook story. In the first week, our progress in 1%. We had a meeting with the project manager to discuss how the game was systematic and what the game concept was. In the second week, our progress is 5%. We had a meeting with the client and we also experiment with a board game that the client had previously created. Here we have to understand the concept of board game related to share and investment, and we also discussed and made a lesson plan. In the third week, our progress is 8%. In the third week, we start compiling content for asset, start creating basic 3D and 2D design forms, and explore programming. We also meet with client again to discuss the timeline and progress each week and discuss achievement targets. In the fourth week, our progress is 14%. We have created a flowchart design containing the 2D game design, such as the board for each sector, guidebook, help cards, and prediction tokens. Then we start designing the 3D game on the board for each sector, cards, and dice.
Okay, in the fifth week, our progress increased to 20%, and in this week we've been working on 3D assets for the board for its sectors and the dice. Then we also working on 3D assets for the forecast tokens, and we currently also programming bidding phase in the player distribution section. Next, in the sixth week, our progress increased to 35%, and in this week we started to complete all the 2D assets, and we also complete to token, and we continue to make our 3D assets. In the consumer sector, we've been working on building a supermarket. In the mining sector, we building a gold cave, and in the financial sector, we building a stack of money. And we also completed the semester's system sequence program. Next, in the seventh week, our progress increased to 51%. And in this week, we continue to create our 3D assets. And we're working on it. And we also purchased the hardware for our controller.
Okay, next this is our backlog history, and the first is we are making RWP, creating for chart, and creating to design the entire game. Creating design document for entire game, explore the creating 3D game asset, fill out game plan up to week 7. Next, fill game mechanic, making board and dice, creating definition token, creating a player sequence program, creating building asset for the consumer sector, and creating semester sequence using the state matching method. Creating money back for financial sector, creating asset for mining sector, and creating bull risk and bear risk. Creating gold cap for mining sector, creating coin asset, creating bank asset. And the next, complete the system for semester base transfer, complete smart mechanics such of pressing or click object, and the last is creating poker asset for consumer sector.
This is our project documentation. In here we have 4 pictures. The first picture is the problem of the laptop after having a blue screen. The second picture is a view of the Blender software. Was taken when we creating a 3D animation asset like board game, dice, and token. The third picture it was taken when we did consultation to our lecture for IoT hardware. And the last picture is the problem of Blender software.
Okay, so this is our job desk. My job desk is as a group leader and also as a game programmer.
My job desk is game design artist, 3D artist, and preparation of reports.
My job desk is 3D artist and preparation of the reports.
My job desk is 3D artist and game design artist.
My job desk is game design artist and game programming.
That's all about our presentations. Thank you.